Hey, I'm Mike and welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about what you actually can do in London. So there are different ways to find masterclasses, events, workshops, and one of my favorite ways is by using an app called Meetup. The obvious one would be just searching on Google, typing what's happening in London, but that's not always the best way to do it. My favorite way of finding events or something I want to do is through an app called Meetup. So let me show you. So first of all, you have to download the app. So let's go to App Store and search for Meetup, and then you'll see this logo. It will says download, so download the app. In my case, it just says open because I already have it. And then open the app. So within the app you will see this explore button, so if you press that, and then you can select a date. So for example, I want to do something tomorrow, and then you'll see everything that is happening tomorrow. So for example, there's Tango and Rumba, Chinese New Year celebration, Sunday badminton, and so on. Another thing you can do, if you press explore button again and press find a specific group, so you press that, and here you can explore specific groups. For example, it's tech, outdoors and adventure, family, health and wellness, learning, photography, food and drink, music, and loads others. So for instance, if we want to learn a bit more about photography, press that, and here are all the groups related to photography. And they actually split into different sections as well, like Photoshop, portrait photography, photography classes, street photography. So for example, you want photography classes, there's raw photo tours, telling fashion stories, Lewisham School of Arts and Design. And look, if you have a Sony camera, Sony Alpha Photography Meetup might be the meetup for you. You can learn about 3D printing London, property development, land sourcing. Yeah, and there's loads and loads of interesting things happening in London. So I do believe this is the best way of finding something to do in London. So I attended one of the events today, and we learned how to choose fish, how to prepare fish, and how to actually cook fish. And after that, we actually enjoyed eating it. So that was cool. So if you have any questions of how to use the app, or you actually have a better way to find something to do in London, then please do comment below. So please do subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. I upload videos every single day, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.